This is my second year in the program and I'm loving it. I feel like this place is a perfect fit for me. I love cars, working hands-on, using my hands. I love doing all that kind of stuff. Last year we did engine performance. This year we're doing brake, steering, suspension, airbags, tire pressure systems. I don't have like a specific favorite, but it's kind of nice to learn about everything. This program has really helped me find out what post-high school opportunities I have, and it's really helped me get into Shoreline Community College, which is a great program, and I will be taking the T10 program, which is with Lexus and Toyota. What's cool about the program is I go to school Monday through Thursday, and then on Friday and Saturday I'll be working at a dealership, and I'm going to be working at Lexus of Bellevue. I don't know if I'd be able to get into that program without going through this school. There is a lot of classroom work and it's not all hands-on, so it definitely takes like a certain type of person to stay committed to the program. Beginning of the year we do a lot of like safety learning. You have to know all the safety precautions and all the hazards of working in a shop like this. It gives you a lot of like good opportunities, really helps you be able to go out into the industry that you want to be part of. I love this program. I'm so happy I was able to be part of it.